Hi everyone, welcome to Fire Stone Chemistry. If you are new in our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Today's topic is the coordination compound lecture 3. If you are not seen our previous lecture on coordination chemistry, please go on channel and see the lectures of the coordination compound. Coordination compound and coordination chemistry is the most important topic for the CSIR NET. SET exam or 12 science board exam. Here we see in previous lectures or previous video what are the coordination compound, is the coordination number or what is the coordination compound. Here and there we see the Werner's theory. Werner's theory have the postulates that most of the metallic elements exhibits two types of valencies. These are one is the primary valence and one is the secondary valency. Primary valency, every metal tend to satisfy the primary as well as secondary valencies. Every metal has a fixed number of secondary valency and secondary valency always directed toward the fixed position in the space. Here we see the one of the Werner's theory examples. The examples is COCl3 6NH3, that is the on treatment with AgNO3 COCl3 6NH3 immediately gives ppt of silver chloride corresponding to the all three chloride ions, hence all the Cl in ionization sphere. That means this compound, that is COCl3 6NH3 when treated with AgNO3 gives the ppt of silver chloride corresponding to the all three chloride ions, hence all the Cl minus are the in ionization sphere. So you see that what is the reaction in between that COCl3 6NH3 plus excess of Ag plus to give AgCl ppt of AgCl. That means it satisfies the primary valency of cobalt ion. That means it satisfies the primary valency of cobalt ion. Again, as ammonia is not removed on treatment with HCl, it must be strongly bound to the cobalt. From the above experiment that it shows that there is no removed ammonia, so this can be strongly bound to the cobalt and hence all the 6 ammonia must be in coordination sphere. That means the ammonia are not removed, so this is the in coordination sphere of complex and they must be satisfied secondary valency. So this is the satisfied secondary valency of cobalt, and the first valency is satisfied by chlorine, that is Cl3, and the compound is COCl3 6NH3. So this is the example of the one of the coordination compound from Werner's theory, and by the seeing these examples we can conclude that the Werner's theory is applicable for the coordination compound. So molar conductivity corresponding to fixed charges, corresponding to 6 charges for the solution of COCl3 6NH3 in nitrobenzene. So molar conductivity corresponds to 6 charges for the solution of COCl3 and 6NH3 in nitrobenzene. So in nitrobenzene they give reaction as this coordination compound CONH3 Cl3 gives get ionized and we get CONH3 and 3 plus. That means CO is in plus 3 state. So this is the primary valency and this plus 3 is the oxidation state of cobalt. This can be we seen how to calculate oxidation state and primary and secondary valency. We can see in the next lecture. So here I shown here the compound or the complex coordination compound, that is the CONH3, COCl3 6NH3 and COCl3 5NH3. Here see that CO is the central atom. CO is the central atom, that is central metal atom. Here NH3 are the neutral ligand. NH3 are the neutral ligand. NH3 are the neutral ligand which are connected with the CO. That means they are connected to the CO6NH3 which are neutral ligand connected with the central metal ion, and again they are also connected with the 3Cl minus atom. 3Cl minus atom. So here there are two sphere. One is the inner sphere and one is the outer sphere. In inner sphere coordination inner sphere is also called as coordination sphere. Here I shown that outer sphere, this is the outer sphere or ionization sphere or field of primary valency. So primary valency is 3 and secondary valency is 6. So here CO is the central atom, this is the inner sphere and that is the outer sphere. This is the outer sphere or ionization sphere and this is the coordination sphere or field of secondary valency. So primary valency is 3 and secondary valency is 6 of the cobalt. So cobalt tends here to satisfy primary as well as secondary valency. So COCl3 and COCl3 6NH3 is the coordination compound and this can be explained with the help of Werner's theory. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel for the more videos on chemistries. In next lecture we can see again coordination chemistry. This is the most important topic for the 20 mark in GE, CSIR NET, 12 science, again BSc, MSc and NET SET exam or GATE exam. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for the more videos on chemistry. Thank you for watching.